Yahdin later on as the Prime
Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I shall faithfully
elements of power, one by one, presented to him.
It is therefore quite comic and laughable to hear of some actors in the world giving us lectures about democracy. You give me a lecture about democracy? What are your own credentials?